beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm James Lister. This is my channel. Thanks for the current subscribers. But for those who are still viewing me, thank you very much. I've noticed I'm getting, there's one video that's got 105 views now or more, and there's other ones. If you don't like the views, let me know. What views do you want to see? What do you want to see on my channel? But anyway, keep subscribing if you do. They're very much appreciated. Keep viewing as well. That the views will go up. That'd be perfect. You may wonder why I'm always in this room. Well, it's my conservatory and it's got nice blinds. So it's a nice backdrop, and it's also the brightest part of the house. And the sun's out, so perfect. So what is this video about? Well, hopefully I'll be able to get my bike out. It will turn on because it's on. I have it every winter on a trickle feed, so it should be fine. I'll turn it over, do like a cold start thing for you, see if you like it. But if you like it, anyway, I'm going to show you what it is, get it out, show you the bike properly, and then we'll go for a ride. And then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and thank you for the continued support. Hopefully all this year 2019 will get double my subscribers, or even triple them. Hopefully I'll get to 100 or 200 subscribers. That's my aim anyway. I do enjoy making these videos. It's the first day when the road looks dry and nice, and the sun is out. As you can see, you can see the sun over there. The sun is out. It's the perfect day to hopefully go on my bike. Hopefully you like this video. Let's go and get my bike, turn it over, and get on this road. See you soon. There we go. Well, I've sorted it all out. Hopefully I'll be able to get the bike out now. I'm just gonna let's turn it over on a cold start, get it back out, turn it over, it is a heavy bike, so bear with me. I look like I'm struggling. I'm a little bit. But let's get it out, and then if it turns over properly and I get it out, I'll put my clobber on and switch over to my helmet camera and go for a ride, and then I'll do an outro afterwards. Let's see, shall we? The struggle was a bit harder than I thought. It seems the tyres are down a little bit, so I think I'm going to have to go and fill the tyres up to whatever they should be, and then we'll continue our ride. I'll get on my bike, put my helmet camera on, go to Asda, get some air in the tyres, and then go for a ride and see how we get on. So yeah, let's do this. So guys, I bet you're thinking, what happened to going on a ride? Well, as you can see from where I cut it, at the air pump, the pump place in Asda, where I pumped up the air, the valves on where you put the put the air thing onto to pump the air up on motorbikes, well especially my BMW anyway, are smaller and don't come out as much as on cars, and so basically I couldn't find anywhere to pump my tyre up. Took about a good 2 hours to try it. I went to Tesco, went to Sainsbury's, went to Asda, even went to a couple of filling stations. Couldn't find a place to do it, and obviously my tyre was down, hence why I was struggling to move it. And people kept saying to me when I was going past me, you've got your tyres down, your tyres are down. I'm like, yes, I know my tyres are down. That's why I'm driving slowly, so I don't ruin the tyres and I can get somewhere to pump it up. So eventually a lady went, do you know where Quick Fit is? I'm like, oh yeah, there's a Quick Fit just up the road from me. Well, 5 minutes up the road from me, which I actually passed on the way to Tesco. I went to there. Normally I don't go to Quick Fit because they are quite overpriced for what they are, but I rolled up. This guy came out and I said, can you see if your air provider will work on my bike? So behold, you know, and I went to him, he brought it out, clicked it together, and behold, no, it worked. It was like, it both did them, and you could tell it was working because my ass went up, whereas my bum on my thing went up as it inflated, and on the dashboard it was telling me it was going up and up and up, so it's perfect. But then Quick Fit were nice enough to pump it up for free, so shout out to Quick Fit on that and the guy that's there. That was amazing, thank you very much. But then I thought, let's go on a ride a day or two later, and what happened? It started raining, started being icy. Then I went on a holiday skiing into France. Then I came back and it started snowing. So I also decided I'm not going to get rid of my bike. There is a video on should I get rid of it or sell it or whatever. I turned it over. I just love that bike. It's so good. I can't put anything else on it, but that means it saves me money. I don't need to put anything else on it because it's already fully equipped for what needs it. So I'm keeping that bike for now. See how I get on this year, 2019. And also I'm thinking about, rather than buying a new car, selling mine, getting another car. I'm not on the fence about it. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the wheels refurbished, get the windows tinted. I think it's like £400 for refurbishment and tinting on my car, which isn't too bad, 400 quid really if you think about it. And then if I get enough money, or if I get enough views on here which pays for it, I might wrap it as well. And this is where I need you guys' help. What colour should I wrap my white BMW? Because everyone's got the same thing. I don't want to do a matte black, a matte red, or matte white, or whatever. What colour should I wrap it? You guys tell me and we'll go from there. But anyway, as for that, thanks for the new subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed, press it down there. It's either there or there. I'm not sure which way this video is. I think it's down there. Click the notification button. And when the weather gets a bit better in say a week or so, the bike's going to start coming out more. So even more stuff. I've been told my action camera footage is good for skiing, so check that one out. My skiing towards a tree at 30 mile an hour, check that one out. But anyway, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, thanks for clicking on me and listening to me waffle on as usual. And stay tuned for many more videos to come. Goodbye.